Hello guys, I'm Aylin and I'm back to record another video of your next step while coding. I am kind of coughing today and stuff, but don't worry about that because I am here to help you with another coding with Python. And remember, if you don't have a terminal, go here. And we're gonna get started. This is part 2, so so this is gonna be the next step for you. Hold on. So let's get started. So first we are going to be learning about this. So like we're going to be learning about your name. Like you're gonna make your name turn into a variable. So like, let's say Aylin, or like, you can do any word turn into a variable, but Aylin equals to happy. Auden equals to, if you don't know Auden, here's my little brother. Auden equals to, yay. Okay, those are just examples. So yeah, I'm just putting random words and they're variable. I remember I taught you a variable in the last episode. Equals means that word is equal to that, so it is that. So Aylin is happy, Auden is yay, and so we don't want to start now because what are we gonna print here? We're just writing these, so we're gonna do enter a third one. So and you're going to do print this. And then you're going to do shift 9. Then you're going to do shift these things, as you can see. And then you can write print these blue ones. Like, I'm going to print Aylin. And if you want, you can do this also. No, wait, guys, there's a problem. Don't do these stuff. Just do write it because they don't know if it's a variable. There we go. Now it turns blue. Sorry about that. And then you can write Auden. There we go. Now it's like a blue diamond color. You start Python. Oh, happy, yay. Happy, yay. Yay, we're so happy. Basically, if you still don't understand, we can do one more. Let's just do me equals to teaching, like I'm teaching you guys. You equals to listening. So you guys are like listening to the code telling you. And okay, hold on. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to do a print. Oh my gosh. You write print. No! Print this. Then you write me. Enter print you. So we're like doing these so we can print them. You. There. Let's just erase this just to make it okay. Teaching, listening. Yay! So hope you understand. Keep practicing this so you will understand because we're copying those. They're equal because we learned the variable last time. Anyway, I'm also going to be telling you, you can like literally write anything as the variable, and yeah, like it's pretty cool. Anyway, we're gonna do the next step, where it's gonna be like doing the comments thing, like it's a comment, just so you click shift 3, and then as you can see, it's gonna be looking green, and it's like these line stuff, and then you write anything you want. Hi, I am Aylin. Whee! Okay. So it says, "Hi, I'm Aylin." And I will say, Aylin equals to Aylin. Whoops, guys, I didn't put these stuff. Okay, Aylin. And then you enter, and then you click print. Whoops. Print Aylin. And look, it's a hashtag. But the hashtag, I'm gonna tell you that later. Aylin! Okay, anyway, I'm gonna tell you. Oh, okay, yeah, there you go. So yeah, what does the hashtag do? It's like a comment, like a thing where you're gonna do next. Like, let's say you write down a comment. You say, I am gonna do a coin giveaway. No, I'm just saying giveaway at the second time I play this game. Alright, anyway, so it's gonna be like, I'm gonna do a coin giveaway second time I play this game. And so it's just reminding you, just a comment to remind you, but it's not gonna write anything down here. Print, if you do print, woo. Whoops, I did something wrong. Print. Oh my gosh. Ugh, it's not gonna do anything. I was just writing that down. So if you like do like maybe print equals to me. Always remember to do this. I always forget about that. I'm sorry. Me print. Oh my god. Print print me. Am I print? Oh my gosh. Just a test to see what happens. See, it does an error. You guys can't do this. Anyway, just a test. Okay, I was just doing the test. Anyway, let's do it for real now. So these things are just the things next you can do. All you need to do is just do this hashtag thing, and then you're good. That's all you need to do. And you can write, for the variables, you can write as much as you want. Like, any number is fine to you, then that's good. Because it's gonna make it better. And then look, well, you can like literally do anything. X, and wow, okay, that's pretty cool. Now we're going to now we're going to learn about the comments a little bit more. So if I do first step, and then another and then print and print first step. I'm just doing stuff, okay? And then if I like do another comment saying second step, then it will do the second, and then I will just print the second step. Maybe like second step. Let's see. Oh no. Print is not defined. Do you mean print? Okay guys, I'm really sorry. I'm doing this wrong. Don't do... Oh my gosh, what happened? Oh my gosh, okay, I'll erase all this. I'll type it again for y'all. Sorry guys, I keep doing capitalize. Don't do capitalized print. That's a thing. It won't work. First, second, no, print, second. Okay, there we go. Wow. And then it's just a comment to see what you're doing. First, second, there we go. Hope you guys learn how to comment and learn more about the variables. And that's all I can teach you for today, because I'm just gonna go rest and I have to do a little bit of work. So, bye.